Hey everybody, today I'm going to build a firewood rack for my porch here, all out of EMT conduit with just some simple hand tools. Check this out. I've got some 3/4 inch EMT conduit ready here on the chairs, and then these are the materials. I've got 90-degree connectors, T connectors, a bunch of accessories, including these rubber feet. But this is all the tools I'm going to use: a pipe cutter, 5mm hex wrench, Sharpie, and tape measure. And I even picked up this grill cover, which when I'm not needing access, I'm going to cover the wood. And it's just kind of this simple canvas material there. So that'll be great. Pick that up at Tractor Supply. We've got our wood right here. So yeah, let's get building. All right, I've got it all put together. It's looking good. I've got 3-foot high verticals that the 90-degree and T's held onto. And then it's about 4.5 feet wide. And I made these little stubs to kind of distribute the weight. And then some end caps just to protect the open end. So there it is. We're gonna load it down with firewood and see how it does. Right. There it is. I didn't even quite fill it up. Pretty good. Nice and sturdy. That center support is definitely help keep the wood and the conduit from bending. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's great. The tarp didn't quite fit the way I wanted to, but I'll keep looking for another one that might fit. But even like that, I think it's pretty good. So thanks everybody. I hope you liked the build. If you want to build something like that, it just takes a few connectors. And if you had any questions, please let me know. And this is a great time to pick up some connectors because we're going to have the whole site on sale, our biggest sale of the year. So check that out. We appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. So long.